Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the full 2025 guide on how to assign tasks in Trello, making your project management even simpler. First things first, open up your Trello board. If you don't have one yet, just sign up on their website and create a new board. The reason we do this is because Trello allows us to organize tasks visually, making it easier to understand the flow of a project. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new card, which represents a task. Click the Add a Card button, usually found at the bottom of your designated list. This helps us because each card serves as a container for a task, where you can add descriptions, comments, attachments, and even due dates. Next up, here's the crucial part, assigning the task. Open the card and click the Members button on the right side. From the drop-down menu, choose the team member you wish to assign the task to. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks makes it clear who's responsible for what, enabling accountability and effective collaboration among team members. After you've assigned the member, don't forget to hit Save. This step is important because without saving, Trello won't remember your changes. Now, the assigned member will receive a notification that a new task has been assigned to them. Now, if you want to assign the same task to multiple members, just repeat the process. The reason we do this is to ensure that tasks which require collaborative efforts are visible to all relevant team members. All right, we're almost done. As a final step, it's important to communicate the task priority. Click on Labels and select a color that matches the priority level, for example, red for urgent tasks. This helps us because it provides a quick visual indicator of task importance, allowing team members to prioritize their workload effectively. And there you have it. Now you know how to assign tasks in Trello and streamline your project management process. Remember, the key to effective use of Trello lies in regular updating and clear communication. Happy task assigning, and until next time, stay productive.